Hello everyone, it's Justine. I just sat down and I almost just opened up day number 17 without filming, which I guess wouldn't be the end of the world, but it wouldn't be as exciting to watch, so I'm glad that I stopped myself and hit record. Alright, let's see what is in day number 17. Oh, an arch. Okay, so this is the arch die that was on the back. So we kind of knew that this one would be coming sometime. I'll just show you the picture really quickly here on the back. So you can see there's layered dies. So that's what it would look like if you did all of those layers with the rainbow colors. Which we're all about rainbows. That's always so cheerful to see. But it would be kind of cool to do like red, yellow, do something kind of like a pattern. Anyway, this is die number S2-357W17 because it's day 17. Let's see, how many layers do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow, 7 layers. This would be kind of fun to make little hills out of. I love making little scenes with stamps and dies, and I could see myself making little hills for a background die, perhaps in the future. Anyway, I'm just very impressed with how inspiring these little things are. You know, it's just a little die here, a little stamp here, a little embellishment here, but putting them together, you can really make some fun things. So let's just see what happens with making some things. Anyway, thanks for watching day 17. Come on back tomorrow to open up door number 18. Getting closer to Christmas. Bye.